In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automatic currency conversion in Stripe. If you sell to customers in different countries, automatic currency conversion helps you show prices in local currencies without creating separate price points for each market. Stripe calls this feature adaptive pricing, and it works with checkout and payment links to localize prices based on real-time exchange rates and Stripe's pricing rules, which can lead to higher conversion and a smoother buying experience. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you are in the correct account if you manage multiple accounts. And note whether you are viewing test or live mode at the top. Settings are visible in both. But you want to confirm everything in live mode before you go live with customers. If you use Team Access, ensure your role has permission to edit payments settings. Once you are in, head to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. This is where Stripe keeps all the configuration options for your business. From payments and payouts to checkout behavior. We'll focus on payments-related settings. Inside Settings, select Payments, then choose Currencies. This section controls how your business handles presentment currencies, what your customers see, and it's where you manage currency behavior for Stripe-hosted experiences like checkout and payment links. You'll typically see your default currency here along with any additional currencies you've enabled for your account. Now, look for the adaptive pricing option. This is the control that enables automatic conversion for checkout and payment links. When you turn it on, Stripe will automatically calculate localized prices from your base price. Apply consistent rounding so prices look natural in each currency, and present the best option to customers based on their location. You don't have to create separate prices for each currency, and customers get a familiar, localized price at checkout. If a particular currency isn't supported for your region or products, Stripe will fall back to your default currency. After enabling adaptive pricing, review any on-screen notes or previews so you understand how prices will appear. Some accounts may show examples or guidance on rounding, exchange rate refreshes, and how localized prices display in checkout. If you don't see the adaptive pricing option, make sure your account is supported in your country and that you are using checkout or payment links rather than a fully custom payment form. That's it. Your checkout and payment links can now display localized prices automatically, helping customers pay in a currency that feels natural to them. While you manage just one base price,